and Chuck. How's everybody doing today? When you jump on, like and follow the business page, say hello to me, let me know where you're coming in from. If you are not catching this live, please hashtag replay, let me know when you saw this live. If there is a better time for you to catch lives, please let me know below. Today, we're going to do a quick little project called Happy as a Clam. I'm just going to share this out. If you can do the same, that would be awesome. Again, say hello when you're jumping on. If I'm not seeing your comments, it's because I need you to like and follow the business page. You can also join my VIP group. It's Telly's Talk and Chalk VIP. Very simple. As long as you are not a chalk tour designer yourself. I'm just going to put my information below. Please check it out. So I got this little board, and we are going to do Happy as a Clam on it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to back up, bring this forward. And hopefully you can see that. I'm just going to move that over just a tiny bit. So, because we're doing a Happy as Clam, I'm not sure what color we should use. We could use blue, we could use pretty much any color you want. Let me know in the comments if you have a preference on what color we want to use. I could always use my new blue. It's the same one as the one I just had in my hand, but it's over here. And it is the Blue Jay Blue. I have not opened it yet. This could be tricky. I don't suggest you doing it the way that I just did it, but this is actually friendly. So your kids can play in it, they won't get hurt by it. If they happen to stick it in their mouth, it is all natural. Trust me, I've had my upline tell me their dog got into theirs, and, well, nothing happened. Normally they would rush them to the vet because something's wrong, but it's all natural, so it will not hurt. What am I looking for? I'm looking for a squeegee. And where is my... Where did I put my squid bottle? Oh, it is up there. I just can't see it. Paul, can you help me grab that? I'm just a little wedged in here at the moment and I can't grab back. Say hello when you're jumping on. Let me know where you're coming in from. Squirt bottle. It's back in front. I can't reach it. I put it too far back. Hey Sherry, how are you, hon? So we're just going to take a bit of distilled water and put it in our paste. Just a couple of squirts. We want to make it nice and creamy. And I will use my handy dandy little tool here. We're just incorporating all of the product back in with the water and making it nice and creamy so that it is easy to apply. Our transfers are reusable 8 to 12 times. Longer if you take care of them. And paste goes a long way, so you can have your paste for a long time with no problem. If it gets dry, just add distilled water. We don't want to use tap water because we have chemicals in our water that will make mold, and we do not want that. I mean, unless you want a science project, but I suggest no. Hi Gail, how are you? So there we go, got it all nice and creamy. Just gonna dump all of this back into our jar. We don't want to lose any of it if we can help it because it is all usable. How's everybody doing today? What's everybody got planned for the weekend? Any good plans? Pardon? Blue Jay's the color I am using, yes. I'm using the Blue Jay blue. Oh, you saw my comment? Or Gail's comment, technically. I did see it come up, I just didn't get answering it right away.
No, I'm going to try to answer stuff for you, but I might not know the answer.
Yep.
Because I can actually respond to as you.
Yep. So I have my husband in the background, he's talking as me. We are good. So again, we're going to use the Happy as a Clam. And I'm going to use the blue.
Gail said she loves your top.
Thanks, Gail. It's brand new. And yeah, I got it from some people at my church. They were awesome enough to let me have one. What's new, Gail? I feel like it's been a while since I talked to you. Normally I would use scissors, but I don't have them on me. This seems to be not working. Polly, do you have your X-Acto knife or a pair of scissors? Oh, wait, never mind. I got it.
Because I look for my
Going to the beach? That's awesome. That'll be fun. I'm a hot mess. Stop. Shh. I'm not doing anything. I just took the top off. The rest of the packaging is here. We're good. I got this. We got this down pat. No. It was a bit of a hot mess there. Alright, so I'm just going to put this on my pan leg, get some lint up. Just so that it doesn't stick too hard to the board that we're using. This is not a chocolate board, so I'm not exactly sure how it's going to respond. But we are going to do this. It is going to be wonderful. Right? Everybody with me on that? How's everybody doing? Trying to make sure that we have no air bubbles, because air bubbles will let it bleed and we don't want that. And now I'm just going to take my blue. Like I said, this is going to be a really quick one because we're just doing it all in one color. I know, I'm so bad to our packaging. It's really bad. Oh, awesome. Yeah, I see her comment. It literally just came up on this week.
I didn't look this up.
I've got them coming 2 different ways. This same board, I got this one from Michael's. This isn't the one we get from Chalk Tour. Oh, that's awesome. That's really cool. So, as you can see, it goes on really, really good. And it will not go through where the green part of the transfer is unless there's a bubble. Thanks, Gail. I don't know, I was just thinking water blue, right? Like, I mean, it's definitely a darker blue than water normally is, but I thought it was a cute color. I really like it. It's no longer available, so I went and grabbed 2 of them just before it left. Now there are like substitutes that are in our new catalog. If you haven't checked out the catalog, please go ahead and do so. Let me know what your favorites are. I'm always looking for people's favorites so that I know what to bring in case anybody wants anything done for them personally. Anything that I do is for sale after the fact. If you ever want any of what I have on hand, please let me know. I will be happy to get that for you. Oh, I almost forgot the dots. I don't know about you, but every time there's like little dots somewhere, I almost always miss them. It's really, really sad, but I typically catch them right at the last minute. It's just how it happens. How are you doing, Angie? How's your day been? So again, a little goes a long way, especially when it's only little dots. So we're just going to take it all the way through. And we want to get this up as fast as we can so it doesn't dry in the transfer. And because I did it really thin, it might dry fast. So, but because this is only chalk paste, not our chalk ink, it is removable on these types of surfaces. So if we don't like something, we can always get rid of it and restart. That right there for right now, and then I'm going to show you the finished project. Yes, I know this was a really quick one. I'm sorry, it's just been one of them days. Now, you can see that really clear. And my transfer just fell to the floor. Clearly it doesn't want to stick to plastic right now. How does everybody like it? Give me some hearts. So that is our project for today. I hope you come back. We will be back on Monday at 2 o'clock, hopefully. If there's any change, I will message you. Well, I'll message the page. You should get the notification. But until then, I will see you all Monday. Bye, guys. You too, Gail. Everybody have a great weekend. We'll see you Monday.